Good morning, students. Today, in this part, we are going to learn the new point, cumulative frequency. Okay, from this topic, statistics, your new point is cumulative frequency. So, cumulative frequency, that is Cn. Okay, C means cumulative frequency, that is n. It is denoted by this letter Cn. Okay. So here first we will see with the help of example we will see what is the cumulative frequency. Okay, and cumulative frequency are of two types, which is less than series time and more than series time. Okay, now we will see what is actually mean, what is the less than, what is the more than. Okay, so now here the example construct the cumulative frequency distribution less than or more than type series from the following data. So data is given for us. It is classified like this. Class intervals are given. So class intervals of marks obtained. So this is the information about the marks obtained from the students. So marks obtained, so 0 to 20, how many number of students are 2, 20 to 40, the number of students are 7, 40 to 60, number of students are 11, 60 to 80, number of students are 18, and 80 to 100, number of students are 12. So it is of the test marks out of 100. Okay, so how many students got, like this they have divided the students. So here what is the meaning of 0 to 20? It means that 0 marks for the students are 0, greater than 0 but less than 20. Okay, so like this how many students are there? 2. What? The marks obtained 0, more than 0 but less than 20. So such students are in this class. So like these students are how many are there? 2. Here 20 to 40. What is the actual meaning of 20 to 40? The students who got the marks 20, more than 20 but less than 40. Okay. So now tell, if you will see these two columns, means like this others will be there. Okay. So here marks more than 20 means sorry, more than 0 or more than 0 and but less than 20. So meaning of this, it is 0 to 20 is what? The marks obtained 0, more than 0 and less than 20. Less than 20 means what will be there? So marks will come from 0 to 90, 90.5. Like this all marks will be there in this group. Okay. So next group is 20 to 40. Right. So marks will come here. 20 marks will be there. Right. So 20 marks means what? That they are the more than 90. Understood? 20 marks is more than 90. So that marks will come here. Understood? So here what will be there? More than 90. More than 19, because 20 is greater than 90 or 20 is the more than 90. Understood? So in this group what we will take? 0 to 20 means all the marks, means 19.5 marks, like this marks are up to the point of this 19 to 20, that all marks will come here. Right? We cannot take in this group, we cannot take the students who got the 20 marks. Understood? Because we have the next group 20 to 40. The students who got the marks 20. But 20 marks, it means that what? These marks are greater than 19 or more than 19. So when you will make the less than type means what? Here 0 to 20. It means that in the first group what will be there? 0 to 20 means greater than 0, 0, greater than 0 but less than 20. So first group will comes here. In that less than type, your first class interval will be like this, will be there, less than 20. Correct? Then next group will be there, less than 40. Next, less than 60, less than 80, and less than 100. Okay. Now see. less than 20 means it is up to the 0 from this 0 to 20. Means 20 marks will be not there in this group. So less than 20, then how many students are there? Only 2 students are there. Now the students who got the less than 40 marks. Less than 40 marks means at 0 to 20 and 20 to 40. So less than 40. Less than 40 here. Understood? In this group what will be there? The students who got the marks which are less than 40. Less than 40 means all will be there. Right? Less than 40 all other numbers are less than 40 from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this up till 39. Okay, or up to the point that is the 40. 40 will not come here. So less than 40, whatever the mark that will comes from here is 0 to up till 39 like this. So all the marks will come into this. Means that students, number of students will comes in this both the groups. Getting anyone? So here less than 20, how many students are there? 2 students. And less than 40, actually how many students are there? 7. So in this, if you count of whole of this less than 40, then all the students, number of students will be there. Okay, so here this 2 plus 7 equals to 9. Understood? So less than 40, how many students are there? 9 students are there. Whatever. Now less than 60. Less than 60 means all of these numbers are less than 60. So less than 60 in that what will be there? This 9 means this 9 and plus this 11. Okay, so you will get 9 plus 11 is 20. Got everyone? Then less than 18. Less than 18 that all these numbers will come. Okay, so here up till this how many students came? This completed 20 students. Okay. Then less than 18 that what will be there? This 20 plus 18. So you will get here 38. Okay, if you count this up to this number, so all the students less than 18 in this 18, 11, 7 and 9. If you add this 2, 7, 11 and 18. 9, 9, 8, 83, 38. Understood? So now here less than 100 marks they have not got. Means not a single child got the out of 100 marks. So less than 100, the students who got the marks later less than 100. If you ask the students in a whole class, the how many stand up everyone, those who got the less than 100 marks. So the students who got the 100 marks, that students will not stand. Okay, so all these students will stand up because they have got the less than 100 marks. Understood everyone? So here this 38 plus this 12 equals to here this 0 and 1, then find the 50. Understood? The students who got the less than marks 100, less than 100 marks, the like this how many students are there? 50 students. Understood? So in this way we have to prepare the table less than cumulative frequency distribution table. Okay? So this is called the cumulative frequency. Understood? Now here marks obtained, we will make the number of students. More than type cumulative frequency distribution table. Okay, so more than marks, how you have to write these classes. Okay, see here. So here you have got the students who got the 0 to 20 and 20 to 40. What is the meaning of this? Again I am telling you. 0 to 20 is 0 more than 0 but less than 20. Okay, more than 0 will be there. So when you will make the more than 0 times, you will have to take this 0 more than 0. Okay, and here 0 means 0 to 20 means more than 0 but less than 20. The all marks will come here. Okay, less than 20. Less than 20, all marks will be there. Okay, now here Suppose less than 20, supposed to be marks are 19. So 19 marks in which column will come? 0 to 20, because the 19s are less than 20. Now here marks obtained 20 and here less than 40. Less than 40. But here what we have to say here? But here in this column if you see less than 20. Less than 20 means supposed to be 19 here. It means that in this column that all the numbers which are more than 19. More than 19. Because when we have one of the students got the 20 marks, the 20 marks students will come in this class 20 to 40. So 20 marks in it means that more than 19. Understood? More than 19, then it means that it is the 20, and 20 the marks who got the 20 that will come into the 20 to 40 class. Getting everyone? So when you will make this more than type, so here what will be there? Here more than 0. More than 0. In this column 20 to 40 means 20 more than 20 but less than 40. So 20 is the more than 19. Okay, 20 is the more than 19. Understood why we have explained here why we take this 19. Okay, so here will be there more than 39, then more than 59. Okay, because this is the 60 which is more than 59. Okay, and here more than 79. Okay, understood everyone? Now more than 0 means all the students will come. The students who got the more than 0 marks means all like this up till 80 to 100 in this column. Okay, so how many are there? We have learned here that total numbers are, number of students are 50, that they have got that marks up till 100. Okay, now here more than 19. More than 19 means all the students will come. So from this more than 19 when you will count the number of students, in that 0 to 20 marks, the students who got the 0 to 20 marks, such students will not be included in that. Okay, addition. Okay, so here more than 19 means all the students, those who got the more than 19 marks means 20, 21, 31, 41 like this, so on up till 100. Okay, so how many are there? See, we have to how to write. See, from this 50 students, this is easy here. From this 50 students, these students will not included in that because they have got the less than 20 marks, and we are finding the less than more than 19. More than 19 means from 20 marks. Okay, so this will be there from 50 minus this 2, so you will get 40. So half 48 it is. See here, this you will got from this 7 plus 11 plus 18 plus 12. So all these students, those who got the more than 19 marks. Got everyone? Now here more than 39. More than 39 means all these students. These students will be not included. Okay, because these students got the less than 40. Okay, so here more than 39 in that, what will be there? See here, this 11 plus 18 plus 12, how many? 8 plus 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11, then 1 carrying 1, 2, 3 and 4, 41. Understood everyone? Then more than 59, more than 59 means all the students will come. So here 18 plus 12. So how many students? 18 plus 12, 30. Understood? And more than 79 means these students will come, that only be 12 will be there. Understood everyone? So in this way, this is called the cumulative frequency. This 50, 48, 41, 30 and 12. All these numbers means the frequency is called the cumulative frequency, which type? More than type, and this is the cumulative frequency by which time less than 10. Understood? Okay, next example is the following are the ages in years of a 360 patient getting medical treatment in a hospital. How many total patients are there? There are 360 total patients are there. Okay, so in a hospital, first of all, CF is cumulative frequency distribution table, which type less than series type and more than series type for the given data. So data is given here, ages in years, that ages are divided into like this class intervals 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Okay, and number of patients in this age group it is 90, this group 50, this 60, 80, 50 and 30. Now like this total patients are 360 patients are there. Understood everyone? Now we have to make the less than type cumulative frequency distribution and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. So in the first example we have already learned what is 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 means there 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and so on. So 10 to 20 means the age of 10, more than 10 and less than 20. Okay, here age is 20, more than 20 but less than 30. Okay, so what will be there? So up till 90, that all the patients will come here, and above the 90 means 20. Okay, so here if you have to prepare the less than type, then what will be there? Less than 20 here. Okay, so meaning of this is what? 10, more than 10 but less than 20. So your groups will come less than 20, less than 30 like this. Less than 20, less than 30, less than 40 means in this group all the patients of less than 40 years. Here less than 50 years, less than 60 years and less than 70 years. Okay, so here what we will write? First less than 20. Okay, here less than 30, very easy it is. Less than 40, less than 50, less than 60 and less than 70. Understood everyone? Here less than 70. So less than 20. Less than 20 how many patients are there? 90 patients. Okay, less than 20 how many patients are there? 90. Then less than 30. Less than 30 means all are there. In that less than means this group also will contains. Okay. So all these peoples are less than 30. Understood? All these peoples are less than 30 age. Those who are the patients. Okay. So what will be there here? So 90 plus 50. 90 plus 50 equals to how many here? Here this 140 patients. So 140 patient how you have got here 90 plus 50 means what we have done, this all the patients are less than 30. Okay, so in that 20 to 30 years belongs from that how many patients are there? 50. But total if you have to count less than 30, the patient will be 90 plus 50. Understood everyone? Now here 140. Now less than 40. Less than 40 means all these people's means all these patients. So here in this 140 that 60 we will add means those who are the age below the 40 all these patients. Okay. So here will come 140 plus this 60. Okay, so 140 plus 60 how many are there? 200. So 200 patients are there in the hospital which is less than 40 years old. Understood? So now here less than 50. Less than 50 in that what will be there? This 200 plus less than 50. 40 to 50 in that group means how many patients are there? 80. So in the less than 50 all this will come. So in this addition this 80 will be add, right? So 200 plus 80. So you will get here 280 patients. Okay. Now less than 60 in that this 15 will add. Okay. So in less than 60 means all these people. Okay. So here 280 plus this less than 60, how many are there? 50. Okay, in that group. So this how many? 0, then 8 plus 5, 30, and this 330. And less than 70, less than 70 means all these, all are these from the less than 70 years old. So here this 330 plus this 30 equals to 360. Means this is your actually total number of patients are how many are there? 360. And here we have got this 360. Means your distribution table is exactly correct. Understood? So what we have to add this when less than type we have to make the distribution table. Okay. So now we will prepare the more than cumulative frequency distribution table. So here it means that what 10 to 20 means here in this group 10 to 20 if you have to make the more than means what is the meaning 10 more than 10 and less than 20. Which type of we have to make here more than type, right? So here what will be done more than 20 and less than 20, sorry, more than 10 and less than 20. Less than 20 means what? It is 90. So in this group here less than, sorry, here in this group here more than 20, more than 20 and this 20 or more than 20. Okay, so in this group the patients which of having the age is 20 more than 20. So 20 is more than which number? 19. Okay, 20 is more than 19. And here in this group the numbers, the patients will come less than 20. So less than 20 is 19. So 19 if it is there, so it will come here. But if you have to make the more than type, then here will come 19 because this 20 is more than 19. Understood everyone? So here we have to take more than 19. More than 19 means what? 20, 21, 22 up till 30. 30 will be not comes there is up till 29. Understood everyone? So 29, 29.5 like this, but 30 will be not there. So here my first group will be there. More than type in that more than, here 9 will be there. Okay, so this groups the patients of the age 10. So what is the 10? 10 is more than 9. Understood? So here will come for this more than 9, that means the 10 and up till 20. Then second group will come more than 19. Then third more than 29, fourth more than 39, more than 49 and more than 59. Okay. More than 59. Understood how to make the more than type and less than type distribution table. In that how to write the more than and how to write the less than. Okay, now we will find more than 9. More than 9 means all these are the numbers of patients are all are more than 9. Okay, so all this will be there. More than 9 in that 9 from that more than 9 means what? All the numbers, all the number of patients, all are here that more than 9. So up till this, which class group here? 60 to 70. So how many total patients are there? Their total patients are 360. Okay, so more than 9, how many is the age belongs from that 10 to 22 up till 60 to 70. All are this, the age more than 9. Okay, so here 360. Got everyone? Now here again more than 19. More than 19 means patient will come from this all. Okay. So this group will be not included in this more than 19. more than 19, and these are all are less than 20. Okay, so more than 19 in that group. From this, all the patient number of patients will be there. So when we have to do the same, we have to subtract 360. Total number of the patients are 360. From that, we have to minus this 90. Okay, so 360 minus 90. So how many are there? 0. Then 16 minus 9, 7, and here 2. So total number of patients, those who are the age between them or age more than 19 are how many are? 270 patients. Understood everyone? Now we have to see the more than 29. More than 29 means from 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. All are there. That from this group more than 29. Understood? So in that this number of patients will be not there. So actually it is what here we have to do here 60 plus 80 plus 50 plus 30. How many all are these? 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. Okay. Now here next less than more than 39. For this second step also you can do this plus this plus this plus up till this. You will get 270. Okay. And 220 are of the more than 29. So how many patients are there? 220. Then here more than 39. More than 39 means here. Correct. So here 80 plus 50 plus 30. So you will get 0, 8 plus 8, 16. 160 patients are there. They are the age more than 39. More than 39 means up till the age of 60 to 70. Okay. So then more than 49. More than 49 means how many are there? 50 plus 30. So 50 plus 30 it is 80, right? And more than 59. More than 59 means how many patients are there? 30 patients are there. Understood everyone? So in this way we have to prepare the less than times cumulative frequency distribution table and more than times cumulative frequency distribution table. Next question is there. A CF means cumulative frequency distribution is given below. Convert this data into the frequency distribution table. Means this frequency is of CF is given. See here how we can understand that cumulative frequencies are given. So when your frequency is in the increasing order, it means that it is the cumulative frequency distribution is there. Okay, this is the CF, and here the marks are given in the form of less than type. Understood? So these are the marks of less than type. So we have to convert the data into simple frequency distribution table. So here first less than 30 and less than 40. Less than 30 means the marks for those who got, the students got 0, more than 0 but less than 30, right? Here the marks those students got the less than 40. Okay, so here, so first group will be what will be there? More than 0 but less than 30. So your group will be there 0 to 30, right? And second group here less than 40 means here in this group what will be there? Here already we have less than 30 is completed. So next group will be there 30, because 30 the students those who got the marks 30 that will not belong in this group. Okay. So in this group will come what? The students who got marks of 30 more than 30 but less than 40. So you will get here 30 to 40. Next will come 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. Understood? So 0 to 30 how many students are there? It is 5. Okay, 0 to 30 how many students are there? 5. Now we have here less than less than 14, let's see, less than 14 means how many students are there, whatever the students are added from this side, that is total number of students. So these are the total number of students, those who got the marks less than 40. Less than 40 means from 0 to 40 are there, right? So in that 0 to 30 column is there, that how many students are there, 5. Okay, so if we have to find exactly the numbers of students, those who got 30, more than 30 but less than 40, so you will get here what, how many students are there, actually it is 8. Less than 40 means all the students from the marks, those who got 0, 1, 2 up till 14 is up till less than 40. So this number is 8. Total number of students from this to this, it is 8. So in that 0 to 30, if you have classified in that, how many students are there in this, 5 students are there. So if you have to find the particular group, this number of the students, then from this 8 you have to minus this 5. So 8 minus 5, so you will get here this number of students are 3. Understood? Now here less than 50. Less than 50 means how many, which group we have prepared here, 40 to 50. So how many are there, 20, right? So here this less than 50, so for that we have prepared this 40 to 50. Understood? This 40 to 50 group we have prepared. So in that 40 to 50, how many students are there, 20 students are there. Okay, now what we have to subtract, see here in this class 40 to 50, the student those who got marks of 40, more than 40 but less than 50, right? But in this, how in the previous class how many students were there, less than 40, means that 8 students are there. Okay, so from this 20 if you will subtract 8, okay, because all these 8 the students that are this up till the 0 to the marks, those who got the less than 40, then how many are there, total are 8. So if we have to find the particular number of students from 40 to 50 group, so we have to, from this 12 we have to subtract this 8. Okay, sorry, from this 20 we have to, from this 20 we have to subtract this 8 students, because these 8 students are all are there from 0 to less than 40 are there. Okay, and we have to find out 40, more than 40 and less than 50. So you will get here 12. Understood everyone? So in this way we have to do the distribution table. Next 50 to 60. So now what you will do, very easy, it is 24 minus 50 to 60. In that up till 50 how many students are there, 20. So it will become minus 20. Okay, so 24 minus 20, how many you will get, 4. Then 60 to 70 means in this group less than 70, so 60 to 70, how many total number of students are there, here 31. So we have to find out from the 60 to 70 means more than 60 but less than 70. Okay, so more than 60 means less than 60, how many are there, 24. So we have to subtract this 24 from this 31. Okay, so how many are there, 31 minus 24, it is 7. Okay, next less than 80. Less than 80 means 70 to 80. So 70 to 80, how many are there, total are 40. Only we have to find out from this 70 to 80 group. But not only the 70 to 80 means here up till 70 how many are there, and after that 70 to 80 how many are will be there, that we have to find. So from this 40 we have to find out up till 70, one that we have to subtract. Okay, so here you will get 90. Understood? Then similarly less than 90, so there 46 minus 40 you will get 6, and here 48 minus 46, so you will get 2. Understood everyone? So in this way you have to make the frequency distribution table.